Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I am fine. Tell me in the comment section that how are you? Today I am gonna show you the tutorial of niqab, complete niqab. Let's begin. First, I am wearing this. Second part, I am doing this niqab. This is the pin I'm wearing on my scarf. Actually, it's a tight niqab tutorial. Thank you so much guys for subscribing my channel. If you guys like the video, if you like this tutorial, you will like the like button also and subscribe button. I'm wearing this tight niqab. Now this is the remaining part, and I am wearing this part on my head. um, First of all, I am wearing putting the pin on here. What is this? Putting one pin here and one pin here. Oh my god, this thing is so. Oh. And one pin here. This is the pin, and we are putting this side here and this side here. Tell me in the comment section that how it's looking. Now I am wearing hijab. Oh, sorry, gloves. I have the gloves. This one. Putting on my hands. This is on this hand. This is the glove of this hand, actually. If you guys have any question, ask me in comment section. You can go outside after wearing this niqab. It's looking very simple and very elegant. You can wear any kind of dupatta here, any color of dupatta here. I am just giving you the idea. Now it's up to you how to how you wearing it. Okay, now I am covered this, and this is looking such an amazing. Oh wow. Thank you so much, guys. Like the video, please, 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 please. Bye bye.